wondered how your smartphone predicts your next word, how a chatbot seems to understand your questions, or how stunning digital arts gets created by computer? These everyday wonders are all thanks to generative AI. So, what exactly is generative AI? Think of it as teaching a computer to be creative, like a digital artist or a poet. Instead of just following commands, it can generate new content, be it text, images, music, or even video. Imagine a machine that can write poetry, paint a picture, or compose music. That's generative AI in action. It's like giving a computer the creative spark that we usually associate with humans. Generative AI is more than just a concept. It's a part of our daily lives. Have you ever chatted with customer support and wondered if you were talking to a human or a bot? That's generative AI at work. Now, when you come across mesmerizing digital art that seems too perfect to be human-made, chances are an AI had a hand in that. And let's not forget about music. AI can now compose original songs that sounds like they were written by a seasoned musician. But how does it all work? The magic behind generative AI lies in neural networks, complex algorithms inspired by the human brain. These networks learn by analyzing massive amount of data, whether it's thousands of books, millions of images, or countless hours of music. By understanding patterns in this data, the AI can then generate or create something entirely new. For example, GPT-3, a well-known AI language model, was trained on a diverse dataset that includes everything from Wikipedia articles to online forums, enabling it to generate human-like text. Generative AI isn't just for techies, it's transforming entire industries. Writers are using it to brainstorm ideas or draft entire pieces, saving time and sparkling creativity. In fashion, designers are experimenting with AI to create never-before-seen patterns and styles. Game developers are leveraging it to design expansive, immersive worlds with complex characters and narratives. Even in marketing, AI is being used to generate personalized advertisements and resonate with individual consumers. But what about human creativity? Does generative AI replace it? Not at all. Think of AI as a collaborator, a new tool in the creative toolkit. Traditional artists and digital creators alike are using AI to explore new styles, generate ideas, and push the boundaries of what's possible. It's not about replacing human creativity, it's about enhancing it. Imagine being able to brainstorm thousands of ideas in minutes or visualize a concept instantly. AI makes this possible. Gen AI is not here to replace people but to assist them towards efficiency. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. While generative AI opens up incredible possibilities, it also presents challenges. AI can be used to create convincing deepfakes or spread misinformation, leading to ethical dilemmas. It's crucial for developers, users, and society as a whole to navigate these challenges carefully, ensuring that AI is used for good and not harm. So, what does the future hold for generative AI? The possibilities are vast and we are only beginning to scratch the surface. From transforming industries to changing how we interact with technology, generative AI is set to play a significant role in our future. Imagine AI-generated virtual assistants that understand your needs before you even express them, or AI-driven cars that make traffic jams a thing of the past. The future is both exciting and uncertain. But one thing is clear, generative AI will be a game changer. Generative AI is more than just a buzzword. It's a powerful tool that's reshaping our world in ways we are just beginning to understand. As we continue to explore its potential, it's important to stay curious, ask questions, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Whether you are a creator, a tech enthusiast, or simply curious about the future, generative AI is worth exploring. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and embrace the future of creativity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on the latest updates on AI and technology.